Alright, so today we got the Little Shop of Horrors no toe, no notch front steering kit. We got DJ's 98 Sonoma they just picked up. I personally have always been curious about the quality and how these things work. So we're basically just going to do a quick unboxing of it, show what's inside of it, and then we're just going to get to work and take a little white here for a cruise. And so they send you a little instruction pamphlet. Says go to their website, do the instructions, send you a nice little shirt. Inside the box, they've got, I'm assuming that's for the tie rods. Of course, you got the sticker. So we did opt for the textured finish. They do sell them in raw. Nice packaging though. Trying to get the motherfucker off. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Nice powder coat. I know it's kind of a given though. It's Little Shop of Horrors, Little Shop Manufacturing. You know they do a good job, so it's kind of a no-brainer to go with them. Yeah, that thing's pretty nice. I like the little notch out in it for adjusting. That's pretty clean. The center link is what I'm most curious about, how everything performs. This thing feels stouter and shit, but it looks good. Can't wait to get it on. So we first started off with taking off the wheels and tires. Now we're going to start getting all the cotter pins out of the outer tie rods and the idle arm and pitman arm, so that way we can drop this thing out. It's a pretty simple install, not really a whole bunch to it. Just take off the old, put the new in, make sure everything's secure. You're going to have to get an alignment afterwards, but I think it's worth the headache.
I don't need to take that off, dude.
No, not that one.
Why didn't you stop me?
Because I thought the same thing. Don't take the bolt off the steering box, just the bolt, the nut to the actual steering linkage.
Dude, I knew DJ and I like Apple.
I was fucking watch you do that. I'm like, okay, he's getting it off. That thing's usually a bitch to get off, and then wait, hold on, shit, I don't need that.
Yeah, that needs replaced on my other shit.
Oh, you're asking how dark
I've
it was.
never had one of those fucking things work, dude. I guess I've never replaced them when they should.
Ta-da! Alright. Take that little nasty bitch out. Obviously from the quality of the machine work, but you can tell that the center link looks like it almost drops down and moves the tie rods out just a little bit on the mounting point. Could be wrong, but that's what I'm seeing. I don't know. We'll get it on it to tell you how it actually works. So with it being dropped a little lower, I think we're going to have to manipulate the pitman arm with the idler arm to try to get this thing in. Keep going. I'll tell you when it goes in. Ow, that didn't fucking feel good. Same thing this way. God dang, dude. What, does it gotta like roll in together or something?
Got it. Push your bolt through. There we go. We're good.
Alright, if you guys just saw that, we kind of just jerry-rigged it to where
Yeah,
took the top bolt off of the idler arm and to roll it up to get it on there. So it feels like there's a lot of binding on it though.
Huh?
So I'm not gonna lie, it feels like there's binding on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I was feeling that too. Like yours not even in on one.
No, because it's like not wanting to.
Oh.
I guess a trick and tip when installing one of these, just grab a tap and double check the threads, because that driver's side one was, I think, had some stuff in it. Alright, so DJ is getting the truck off the jack stands. We did have a little issue with where the inner tie rod Heim goes into its threaded counterpart. We did have to go buy a tap to clean out the threads of that, which is kind of a given sometimes with custom made parts. But we got it fixed. Everything's on there. We're done fucking the football. We're gonna set this thing down. You will have a dramatic toe in if they are turned in all the way that we're finding out. So we're setting the truck down, kind of get it somewhat at ride height, and then we're gonna start adjusting the tie rods to try to make up the difference and try to get this thing sitting like it's supposed to. If you guys can see where DJ's got his crescent wrench at, on these tie rod ends they've actually got like little notches out to where you can stick an adjustable wrench on and adjust it easily with the right hand, left hand threads. Should be pretty simple to knock it out. Oh, 12 7/8.
What's up? My name is DJ. This is my Sonoma. I just picked it up in Kansas not too long ago. Yeah, for the guys that don't know cars, you just pick your bag right up. Little Shop of Horror Manufacturing no toe kit and no notch kit is a great product. On a 1 to 10 on difficulty, it's, I would say, a 3. But just in case, make sure you have a 3/8 16 thread tap on you. Some of the machine work on the driver's side, it seems like, is a little off. It's okay, you just tap it, it goes pretty smooth. But that was the only hiccup. Oh, besides the passenger tie rod, you have to add a washer to the inner Heim so it can clear the idler arm. That is all of what entailed on that. So, and you can watch it all in the video on how we did it.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river, I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river.